Hi, I'm David with Moxa. I want to talk to you about how to find the right PoE switch that can significantly save you time and money when it comes to your system maintenance. Power devices in remote locations such as IP cameras have a tendency to lock up or freeze from time to time. And in many cases, the only thing required is just a simple reboot. So given that a lot of these are in remote deployments, this means that you're going to have to call a technician and they're going to have to drive out to the field and perform a simple reboot. So if a device is a critical component of your system, like say a surveillance camera, you know that this approach means that the video footage won't be available until the reboot takes place. Another downside to this is that you incur additional costs from having to deploy a technician. So to avoid this, look for a managed PoE switch that has the ability to reboot a device that's connected to its ports. This gives you the ability to perform the reboot remotely and therefore eliminate the need to call a technician. Taking this to the next level, Moxa has developed managed PoE switches that you can set up automatically to ping your power devices at certain intervals. So that means that it's going to ensure that there's always signal, and if there is no signal, it'll reboot it for you automatically. Our customers really like this approach because this feature provides them not only peace of mind that the field equipment stays online, but it also ensures that any managed switch is going to be able to gather insights to your connected equipment, monitor power, consumption, and traffic. Having this visibility is a great way to ensure your network and equipment is always functioning properly. So as you can see, finding the right PoE switch can provide you with many great automation and management features that save time, money, and most importantly, reduce system downtime, which makes life much easier for you and your engineers and your technicians. So feel free to contact us if you have questions or would like some help selecting the right PoE solution. And again, thanks for watching.